Hey, it's that time of the week. Meal prep. So I'm chopping fruits and vegetables. Already done the radishes and the carrots. Tomorrow we're having taco salads. So food prep is one great way if you love food and you know that it's an important part of enjoyment and health. Make sure that you get it prepped before so that it's not so stressful and you don't just reach for the easy stuff. You go for the good stuff. Yeah, meal prep. I should get better cutting skills. That's something I can learn to do in the future. Right now, take a bite out of life.